Hey everyone! If you're looking for a powerful way to automate your workflows without writing code, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into n8n, the open-source automation tool that's been making waves in 2025. n8n has become one of the most searched platforms for no-code and low-code automation, and for good reason. It's flexible, self-hostable, and integrates with over 300 apps, including Slack, Notion, Google Sheets, and even ChatGPT. Whether you're automating tasks in your business, building a custom CRM, or connecting APIs, n8n lets you build powerful workflows visually, and it's completely free to start. What's new in 2025? n8n now features a faster, redesigned workflow editor, native AI integrations, improved triggers and error handling, and a massive update to their cloud platform. So if you're tired of paying for limited automation tools or just want more control, n8n is the perfect choice. Click the link in the description to sign up and start building your first automation in minutes. If this video helped you understand what n8n can do, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment if you're already using n8n or if you have questions, and of course, share this video with someone who needs smarter automation in their life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.